Welcome all to Jacob's Kitchen, and today we are going to create Bangan ka bharta. Bangan is aubergine, and this is the only thing I remember was traditional to India and was taken to Europe from India. It's also known as poor man's caviar because it has seeds, and there's a lot of small seeds which is like caviar. It's not possible. I need the help of my lovely wife, Sini. Okay. Aubergine. We slice it and then we stuff it with garlic. One aubergine will have at least 10 to 12 garlic slices. 2 onions for 2 brinjal. Baste it with mustard oil. Bangan ka bharta without mustard oil is no bangan ka bharta. So we need to have that earthly flavor of mustard oil. We need to coat it with mustard oil, baste it with mustard oil. Sweetness of the bharta or the aubergine comes from the onions. The more you should use maximum onions, at least 1 for each brinjal. The sliminess of the brinjal gives the flavor or spreads the flavor everywhere. If the brinjal doesn't have the sliminess, then it will not spread the flavor. For the onion, don't go to the end. Just slice it. Just don't cut it. Onion stays the same, and you can have the chop. Is the ginger. For each brinjal you have to have 1 inch ginger. We have 2 brinjals, so we have 2 inch ginger. Slice it, chop it and use it. Next ingredient is the tomatoes. Slice, dice. Ingredient is green chilies. De-seeded and chopped. I know my wife would be angry because mustard oil gas would be bad. It won't look good, but can't help. Done with the brinjal. Don't put it in the water, otherwise you will spoil the taste. Just take out the skin warm. Mustard oil because it brings that sondy smell. Once the oil is hot, you put the onions in. The next ingredient which has to go is turmeric. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We are here for the next competition. My wife is cooking something else. Never overcook the tomatoes and the onions. For it has to be, and the last goes in. Indian dishes are complete without coriander. That's why we use garlic. Follow me. Baba Ganoush or Bangan ka bharta. Product of Bangan ka bharta, aubergine or Baba Ganoush.